Welcome back, Skallywags. It's Marine Tech Mike coming at you from Seattle Boat Show. It's that time of year again. We are here teaching classes, looking at new gear, looking at boats and everything. And as you know, on this channel, we like to follow up with students who have boats and what they're doing with their careers and all this fun stuff. And so we got some alumni, Gio and Julie, and we got some exciting news going on, right?
It's true. We haven't been back in a while. I think the last time we hung out on this channel was when we were taking off for the first time on a big cruise. Since then, we've sailed almost 50,000 miles.
50,000 miles
Combined. We're close. Yeah, so it's been kind of wild, but it's been great.
I got my 9,000 in through the Northwest Passage.
You did.
And
of
course,
double because of
how many? John. So we're also John Neal here. This is pretty exciting. How many miles are under your keel?
I hit 410,000 this year.
Way to
17
go.
times around the world.
I love it.
That is one heck of an accomplishment.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. We're all in the same place because this only happens like here. Really.
Right.
Under these special circumstances.
It's true. It's true. Yeah, Marine Tech has totally been awesome for us. That was like what launched us into getting to do all of this, really.
Yeah, want the scallywag, Ollie's a scallywag.
That's right.
Yeah.
I mean, we got our start as marine technicians, and that I could not have made a better decision in going to school, and we would not have done that without John's expert guidance. He's the best in the business.
Yeah. John, you've got some big news.
I do?
Yeah.
I'm retiring. Yeah. So I'm no longer doing, after 38 years of doing sail training expeditions around the world, I'm no longer doing any more sail training. And I've passed that side of the business on to these guys, and they're actually using some of the same boats that I taught on. And I have passed on my offshore cruising seminar business, which I did at Marine Tech, which is how they met me. Pass that on to you guys, and I'm helping them out to get off the ground.
Yeah.
And I'm just doing boat purchase consultation, and I moved to the Azores, in the middle of the North Atlantic.
Holy cow.
So many big things.
Life things going on.
So
it's a big year.
It's a big year. But our offshore sailing seminar that we do every year at Marine Tech, annually, 2-day, hands-on, great event.
Still
you guys
on,
are going to run
still
it.
hands-on. We're still going to beg John to come and do the guest appearances.
Yeah, he agreed. We don't have it in writing.
Oh, fantastic.
Yet.
No, it won't be in writing.
You might be sailing.
No, it'll be great.
So cool.
Yeah.
Big changes. So you should plug you guys your website. Where can people get more information about all this stuff?
PelagicBlueCruising.com or at cruiserscollege.org.
Yep.
Mahina.com for information on selecting a boat, and I've got tons and tons of free resource material for you guys to use if you're interested in sailing offshore on mahina.com/seminars.
It's true. I think, John, that your boat purchase consultation completely more than paid for itself when
That's the idea.
That's the idea.
Ended up with a terrible free boat that was going to cost us a lot. We probably wouldn't have had the adventures that we are having because you helped us pick the right boat. So huge.
Well, it all comes back to Seattle Boat Show and Beamer, because I started doing offshore cruising seminars 50 years ago in this month. And Beamer came up to me in the Seattle Boat Show and said, how come you don't do your offshore cruising seminar at Skagit Valley Marine Tech Center? I said, well, because you've never asked me. And you said, well, you're asked.
You're asked. We started that.
That was a bunch of years ago.
Yeah. So it's always fun to be able to do it at the shop, hands-on. So, and that, you guys are instrumental in that. You've helped grow that. And
we're lucky that we have the opportunity to be there and that we have all the hands-on facilities that the college has to offer.
So we'll be running in. Is it this fall?
In November.
Yeah. So every fall we're going to do it because that's a good time of year. Everybody's planning for their departure and getting boats and building skills. And that's what we like to do, is share the knowledge.
It's true. We moored Sea Fox down in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, to come back to the boat show. And on the dock next to us, pulled into a boat that you helped this couple find. They love it. And they had taken our electrical workshop last spring. And oh my gosh, they were over the moon. They were 2 days was all I needed to be able to troubleshoot a water maker, figure out how to communicate with the tech on the phone. They salvaged their cruising season completely just by taking one
One-
class at Marine Tech.
And
Yeah.
Where do we get the information in our brains? From this guy's
This
brain and
guy.
from Marine Tech. Where do we get the information on our awesome boat from this guy? It's like this perpetual circle.
That's
of
what we do. But
support
we also,
cruisers.
John and I, we bring in new. We love
Yeah.
youth and energy, and all of us just want to share our knowledge. We just want to help everyone else out. And that's the way it's been for over 50 years of this guy. We're going to just keep doing that. So
Let's keep getting cruisers out there.
awesome.
Yeah.
So lots of information in our show notes and on our websites, and you'll see more of us on the YouTube channel. But thanks for watching, everyone.